What's up, guys? It may seem kind of dark in the garage right now, and we kind of just pulled this big Larry in here. That's why we kind of reorganized the garage quite a bit, just to be able to get enough space, because as you guys have seen by now, I have my Duramax also, and that needs quite a bit of work, doesn't it, bud?
Yeah, just a little bit.
But yeah, we have more than, I'm not gonna say more than enough, but we got enough room to do some stuff and work on here. Even the 280 and the go-kart over here, and all of our collection of motors and stuff. So, in case you,
more lights.
Yeah, we do, or we'll just have to turn them. But it is what it is.
I'd say we add, like, because we were gonna add more up front.
Yeah.
Like, we were gonna do a lineup of 3 and a lineup of 3.
Honestly, if we did another one up here and another one back here, and then I don't know if that back corner needs them right now. But the reason why the truck is in the garage today is because of this horrendous gap. Because Tony's starting to hear some popping noises from the front end.
I'm tired of replacing front end parts.
Dude, the truck ate you. You literally just got eaten by the truck. So what we're gonna do back here, yeah, so we're gonna take the U-bolts out. Well, put it in the air, take the U-bolts out, take the lift blocks in the back out.
Oh yeah, there's still, it looks like these U-bolts have plenty of the threads going.
Yeah, they should. And then these ones up here, the torsion keys, are they cranked all the way up right now or not?
Not all the way up, but they're up.
So we're gonna go ahead and lower the torsion keys in the front and take these lift blocks out in the rear just to make it have, I mean, it'll be nicer on the suspension parts.
Yeah.
And I mean, it'll look pretty mean with the 20x12s. So we might have to end up cutting the fender a little bit more, doing something with this back here.
They didn't even go through the metal part, they just did this.
Yeah, the plastic. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have our work cut out with this. If you guys checked out one of our previous videos, we built this sub box. I mean, right now it's still drying, so it's not gonna be in the truck right now, but you'll see that in that video. So go check that video out. But other than that, I think we're gonna get started, right, bub?
Dude, this is full of water.
What?
I think it is. Or unless that's air.
I think it's air.
I can't wait to rip this off and do something cool.
Yeah.
Hint for an upcoming video.
Yeah, sponsor us. But we're gonna pitter patter, get at her, guys. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what we're kind of working with over here. This side, I mean, we got our jack stand ready. We gotta get this wheel and tire off. But this side's a little bit more prepared. So jack stand's under there, jack's holding it up right now. But we need to get this wheel and tire off first. Just walking you guys through this. Don't know how well you can see it, but this block here is getting taken out. Then we're just gonna lift it back up onto the leaf spring and put the U-bolts back on. Should be relatively simple. We're just gonna do one side at a time so the axle doesn't come out of alignment, but we need to get this thing on jack stands and the wheels and tires off. So this rear axle sways down a little bit more and it's not fighting against itself really. And then this jack will be under the pumpkin just to give it some support. I mean, it's not going to be jacked up in the air and putting pressure on the leaf springs. So that'll be a plus, because we really can't lift this thing any higher because we don't have a tall garage. But other than that, this thing is going to be sick. We'll be back. All right, guys, so Tony's already talking about trying to do the rear brakes while we're back here, but you can see that jack stands down. This axle is hanging down, drooping.
Oh yeah, check that out. That's about to end up like yours.
Oh, dude, that's tight. Dude, who doesn't want to have brakes like me? But now that you can see it a lot better, it's this middle block right here that's getting taken out, and it'll sit back down there on the perch. So what we'll have to do is go undo all these bolts and then jack it up and then redo it, and then just go and do the same thing on the other side, because we really just want to day where we do one side so the axle stays in alignment so it doesn't roll forward or anything. That way there's no mess-ups.
Yeah, because we should probably just be able to loosen it.
Yeah, so we should just be able to, and by should, we will be able to just undo these bolts. That'll go and rest on the jack that's back there now that you guys saw me struggle to get around. And then it'll just be jacked up until this reaches back there after that block gets taken out. And then it's just reattach those, go to the other side, do the same thing. So Tony's gonna decide if he wants to do rear brakes or not. Yeah, but we'll see. Let's pitter patter, get at her. All right, so basically I'll show you on the other side in a second, but got this lift block out. Gonna go jack this up so those holes line back up. I'm gonna go show you guys on the other side what we had to do to get to this, because we left the other side intact so the axle wouldn't roll. But it's just these U-bolts right here, here and here, this bolt, and then there's 2 more bolts on the front. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see them because of lighting, but those just came out, dropped down, was able to get the block out, and he's just jacking that back up over there, getting that lined up. Just get the hole lined up real quick, bud. But we'll get this side buttoned up in a second. Oh, is it not trying to line up now or something?
I'm out of jacks. I need to put these in and get them nuts started back on them.
Dude. Well, we're gonna keep beating stuff, so stay tuned. Done. It's all tightened down, torqued down. Good. Now it's time to move on to the other side.
We shake our butt.
Yeah, but just to go through the process again, just all 4 of these bolts come out, then that block just slid out. Dude, where's that block at? I don't know. But yeah, that block just slid out, and then it was all Gucci. And then that should be good. Now I gotta go do it on the other side. Boop. Alright guys, so both sides are done. Don't have a light on down there right now, but lift block's out. Now Tony's working on the brakes on the other side, and when we get back, both of these rear brakes will be done, and we're gonna put it on the ground. So brakes are done, so time to put wheels and tires on and drop her. Down on the ground now, guys, blah de blah. Check these measurements out. So on the back here, little right there at about 10-ish. Let's check this front-ish. Ah, it's so cramped. And that's around 11-ish right there. So got about an inch difference from the front and the rear. So Tony's gonna go to the front, lower the lowering keys by about an inch because he still wants to do drop shackles. So lower the lowering keys by about an inch. That'll make it level right now. I mean, we're really only doing this because he needs to lower it because his front end's popping.
Angles.
Yeah.
Or angles, CV angles. Let me see what the angles are.
Oh. Alright guys, so like I was saying, this is all good. The front's about an inch off. So Tony's under there right now, messing with torsion keys to get these right. And then he has tasked me with the amazing thing of being the grinder master.
As always.
Dude, talk to me about being a grinder master. What's it like?
Dude, it's honestly really intriguing.
This is a really good shot of you. But yeah, so I'm gonna grind the pipe off in the back, then mix it, exit out the side, and then Tony's gonna magically fandangle something, make it an axle dump. So
Yeah. We end up with a rear mount turbo.
there's not gonna be a rear mount turbo on a diesel.
Why?
Oh God, we need to stop talking. Well, Tony's over there throwing stuff right now, aren't you, buddy? Oh, I'm recording. I won't put that part in there. All right, guys, so front torsion keys are done. We just did the NorCal mod back here. real quick because it was lowered, so we're making sure wheels and tires don't rub. So did the NorCal mom, or is it NorCal or SoCal?
NorCal.
Ah, okay, it is what it is.
I don't know. I think it's because one guy like calls himself NorCal Nick or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh. But okay, well, the wheels and tires should fit. Tony had some, what were those again?
What? Oh, the bump stop?
Yeah, so we're putting in the new bump stops right now just because it's suspension related, just replacing those real quick. But I think the truck is looking good. I mean, we got a lot to clean up and we gotta go for a drive real quick to make sure this is leveled out. But we're gonna put those new bump stops in and take you guys along for that drive and let you guys see how she rides and see how she looks.
Do you think 9/16 is too small?
I don't know, we'll see. 9/16 is about the same size as the 5/8. So yeah, we're gonna get this done and then we'll come back to you guys with an ending. All right, guys. Oh, dang, this is tight fit right there. All right, guys. So pretty much done with the suspension and everything. I was planning on trying to get an outro for you guys when we were riding around in the truck, but that didn't happen because I forgot. But Tony moved on to rockers and everything. Isn't this fun right now?
Oh yeah.
But because this video kind of already is pretty longish and everything, I decided to end this video. There's another Duramax outside that needs rockers and cab corners, so we'll show you a more in-depth on that one. But we just kind of want to show you on this truck how the suspension was. Tony just lowered the torsion keys. I think I showed you that up front. And then we put some new control arm. What are those? Bump stops. Front bump stops on the front too. And the truck rides a lot better now, just because everything's better. The CV angle's better. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could throw a like, subscribe, that'd be great. And we'll see you guys on our next video.